We're across the street from the Vista, and this is the final portion of our tour. I just wanted you to see, we were on the terrace in one of the sections that we looked at. That's the terrace right over there. Well, and then here's the entrance right over here. And then literally right over here is where you can take your dog. And there's some grass over here. So it's a nice area and it's safe. And so it'd be pretty easy really to live here and then just walk right across the street and take your dog to this area. I hope you've enjoyed just kind of seeing this great area of Victory Park and just getting the vibe on a beautiful Saturday. I want you to go on our website and check out our other videos of other luxury apartments in this area, Victory Park. You can also see uptown luxury videos and other things like attraction videos to kind of get the feel of the attractions that are nearby your places. And we have our free service ready to help you find the perfect place. So reach out to us and we'll get you all the information you need to get you a wonderful apartment 100% free. We'll talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Have a great day.